The second lesson in math that we're going to do is rounding decimals. The first ones we're going to do are rounding to the nearest tenth. So I'm going to underline because the tenth is right here, and that's the one we're rounding to. So I'm going to look at this number right here, and as when we're rounding in whole numbers, anything that is 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4 goes down, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 go up. Well, so since this is a 2, this goes down, so which means it doesn't change. So our answer is going to be 3/10. All right, I'm looking at 3.87. So the tenths is what we're looking at to round. So I'm looking at that 7 right here, and I know it's going to go up, and it's just going to go up 1. So 3.87 is going to round up to 3.9. All right, number 3. All right, we have 709 thousandths, and we're doing the tenths. So I'm looking here, and that's a 0. It's not going to go anywhere. So to the nearest tenth, this is 7/10. There's 3 more for you to do in tenths that you need to do by yourself. All right, now we're going to do the next row, which is hundredths. Nearest hundredth. Okay, here's our hundredths. So, didn't put my line down there. So we're looking at this 9. All right, the 9 is going to go up. So 1.0, and that's going to be an 8. 1.08. All right, so I need to know, I'm rounding to the nearest hundredth, so I need to mark my hundredth spot. I'm going to look at that thousandth spot. That's a 4. A 4 tells me I need to go down, or actually stay the same, so I'm not going to round anywhere. So this is going to be 0.85. And the last one, look, it's the same as this one up here, only now we're looking at this number right here. Here's our our hundredths. This is our thousandths, but this is a 9. Means it's going to go up. So 0.71. You're lucky because there are only 3 rounding to the nearest whole number. So here's our whole number that we're rounding to with our decimals, and we're looking at that 4. That 4 is not going to do anything for us, so it's 1. So I'm rounding to this nearest whole number, looking at this 5, but that 5 is going to do something for us. It takes us up to 13. And then we're rounding 251 thousandths, but the number right here is a 0 next to our next whole number, so it's not going to do anything for us, so this stays 200. Make sure that you're answering the short answer questions at the bottom of the math pages. Think about your answers.